Hello, my name is Teacher Musa. Welcome to our classroom. For today's lesson, we are going to learn about question words, all right? Question words are words that help us find out more things about a person, all right? About anything. For example, question words ask about what a person's name is, who a person is, and how a person is feeling. Those are some of the question words we are going to be using today. Our first question word is what? Okay, can you say what? Beautiful. Our second question word for today is who. Can you say who? Wonderful. Good job. And our last question word for today is how. Can you say how? Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. So these three question words can be used to ask a question. For example, what is your name? That is a question you want to ask if you want to know someone's name. So, can you tell me what is your name? Your name is Sam. Beautiful. Hi, Sam. And Sam, can you ask me what my name is? Can you say, what is your name? Beautiful. My name is Teacher Musa. Okay, so the question word in the question we just asked is what? Because we wanted to know what each other's names are. Okay, now our second question word is who. All right, now we ask a question that has who inside if we want to know who this is. Okay, now an example would be, who is this? This is Allison, right? This is Allison. Now, Sam, can you say, who is this? Can you ask me that? Good job, Sam. This is Allison. All right. Now we use the word who if we want to know who the other person is. Okay. Now, our third word question for today is how. All right. Now we ask a question that has the word how in it if we want to know how you are feeling or how are you. All right. Now, Sam, how are you? Okay. Now, I need you to ask me, Sam, can you say, Teacher Musa, how are you? Okay, I am good. I am happy. All right. Now, Sam, how are you? Can you tell me how are you, Sam? You are happy. That is good. Well done, Sam. I am glad that you are happy. Okay, so those are our three question words for today. What, who, and how. Can you say what? Beautiful. And can you say who? Lovely. Can you say how? Well done. Well done. Okay. Now, uh, let us go to our first activity. All right. This is activity 1. And for activity 1, we have 4 questions. And we have 4 answers, okay? Now we must match these answers with the correct questions. All right. Okay. Now, for number 1, we have hello, right? If someone says hello to you, Sam, if I say hello, Sam, what do you say back to me? Correct. You will say, hello, teacher Musa. Right. Okay. Number 2 is a question. All right. And the question has a question word, which is what. All right. So if a person says, what's your name? Which answer out of these do you think is the best answer for the question, what's your name? Is it number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4? Well done, Sam. It's number 4. My name's Jamie. And question number 3, how are you? Which answer do you think best fits question number 3? Well done, Sam. I'm fine. Thank you is the great answer for how are you? All right. And our last question, which is who's this, has a word question who. So which answer best answers number 4? Number 2, well done. This is Allison. Good job, Sam. Good job. All right. Now we have activity 2. All right. For activity 2, we are going to look at the question words, and our question words have hello, what's, how, and whose. Okay, so the first one has already been done as an example. All right, now we are going to read each statement in every box, and we have to fill the question in each box with the correct question word. For example, in the first box, we have hello, right? The speaker asks hello, and the speaker is a teacher. And what does the student respond? What is the student's answer? Can you read? Correct. The student says hello back to the teacher. All right. Now let's look at the second box. All right. The second box has a question. The teacher asks the student a question. And the first part of the question is blank. So we need to fill it with the correct word question. So it's blank, your name. What's the correct word question there? Beautiful, Sam. So can you write the correct answer in the blank space? Lovely. That's the correct answer. It's what's your name? And what's the student's response, Sam? Can you read it for me? My name is Jamie. Well done, Sam. And let's go to the third block. All right. The third block also has a question. Now, the question has some missing parts. The last part is, are you? Which word question should we complete the question with? Can you write it down for me? Okay, well done. Can you read it for me? Good job, Sam. The question is, how are you? And the student answers the question by saying, I'm fine, thank you. And the last one, the teacher asks students a question. The student answers. But first, let's look at the teacher's question to Jamie. What question does the teacher answer? Something this. What is the missing word question? Can you write it down for me? Good job, Sam. And what's it? Can you say it for me? Who's this? The missing word question is whose. All right. Who's this? Good job. And what does Jamie say? He said, this is Allison. Good job, Sam. Good job. All right. So if we want to know the name of a person, we use what's. All right. What's your name? Right? And if we want to know how the person is feeling, we say, Sam, can you give me the word question? How are you? Good job. And if we want to know who the other person is, we say, who's this? Well done, Sam. All right, now we have activity 3, right? And above activity 3, we have our final word question example. Okay, now we can ask a question that has the word how to find out different details about a person. How are you? Or how old are you? To find out the age of a person. All right. Now, Sam, can you say, how old are you? Good job. Now, can you ask me, Teacher Musa, how old are you? Okay, I am 15 years old. Wow, it's funny, right? Okay, now let me ask you, Sam, how old are you? Sam, can you tell me how old are you? You are 12 years old? Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now in activity 3, which we are going to complete, we have 5 questions, and each question asks, how old are you? Now we need to figure out how old the age of the person is in each question by counting the candles in each cake. All right, now the first question says, how old are you? Right? Now let's count the candles in the first cake. Can you count the candles for me? How many candles do you see? 6 candles. So we have our answer. All right, the number is 6 because there are 6 candles. Now, the answer is I am 6. All right, so I will ask you a question. How old are you? You will count the candles and give me the number of the candles as an answer. All right, now the second question says, how old are you? Sam, can you count for me the number of the candles in the second cake? 5 candles, that's good. So because there are 5 candles, that means you are how old? 5. Well done. So you say, I'm 5. Can you say, I'm 5? Beautiful. Okay, now let's look at question number 3. It says, how old are you? Right? Can you count the candles in the third cake? It's 3 candles. So what is your answer? I'm 3. Well done. And question number 4. How old are you? Can you count the candles? Beautiful. Can you tell me again the answer? I'm 4. Wonderful. Sam, you're doing such a great job. And the last question, how old are you? Can you count the candles? I'm 2. Well done, Sam. Now let's go to our last activity for today. And this one has numbers. All right. It has numbers. Okay. So now we are going to count 1 up to 10. Okay. Now I have 5 fingers up. All right, we are going to start with number 1 to 5. Okay, now I'm going to sing the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you repeat after me, Sam? Yes, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you say again. Beautiful, beautiful. Now we are going to continue counting from 6 to 10 with our second hand. All right? Now, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You go. One more time. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now we are going to count from 1 to 10 together. Okay. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 3. Good job. 7. Beautiful, beautiful. That's such a wonderful job. Okay, now our last activity says, how old are you? Now I need you to look at the number on the shirt and then answer and says, I'm, and then give me the number on the shirt. Okay. Now we're going to do that for 2 questions only. All right. The first one says, how old are you? And the number is 7. So the answer is already written as an example. The answer is, I'm 7 because the shirt has a number 7 on it. All right. So the second question says, how old are you? All right. Sam, I need you to write like it has been written, finish writing the question with a U, all right? And then write down the number, right, of the shirt. Okay, now, how old are you? What's the number of on the shirt? It's 4. All right. Now I need you to write down number 4 for me on the line. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now let's go. Number 3 says, how old are, what's the missing word? You. Can you write you for me? Good job. And what's the number on the girl's t-shirt? Can you write 3 down for me? Good job. Beautiful, beautiful. Now let's continue asking the question. The question says, how old? What are the missing words? Are you? Beautiful. Can you write the missing words down for me? Okay. And what's the number on the boy's jersey? Wonderful. It's number 8. Can you write down 8 for me? Well done. And the last question. The question says, how? Can you finish the question? How old are you? Well done. And what's the number on the girl's jersey? Can you write it down for me? Can you say it again? 10. Well done. Good job, Sam. Good job. Well done. You did so well for today. All right. Thank you so much, Sam. Okay. Now, one more thing. If we want to ask a person's age, which question word do we use? What? Well done. Well done. And if we want to know the age of a person, what question do we ask? How old are you? Well done. And if we want to know who the other person is, what do we say? What question do we ask? Who's this? Yay! Well done. One more question, all right? If we want to know how a person is feeling, what question do we ask? Uh-huh. How are you? Well done. Good job, Sam. Good job. Now that is it for today. I will see you again tomorrow. Okay. Bye.